Hi guys, today we're here to talk about the Kennards Concrete Care grinding range. We've got the large 600 series planetary grinder, the 4-head heavy duty grinder, the twin head heavy duty, and my favourite, the 240 volt heavy duty grinder. Grinders are typically used for glue removal, paint removal and surface preparation. The 240 volt version is good because it's only 240 volt required and can be used in many applications such as grind and seal. A couple of the most important things when selecting the right grinder is selecting the right grinder for the size of the job you have and the diamond tooling for what you're grinding. Whether it be from glues to paints to normal concrete, diamond tooling is an important part for your production on the job. Your best bet is to speak to the guys at your local Kennards Concrete Care branch for their specialist advice. Today we are focused on our 240 volt heavy duty grinder. This is the most powerful grinder we have in our 240 volt range. It can take a variety of diamond tooling depending on the application that's required, whether it be glue removal, paint removal or just general purpose grinding. The unit today is hooked onto a vacuum cleaner, as the demo we'll be doing is dry, but it can also be used in a wet application. Today I'll show you two important features before we start using this grinder. One is the levelling of the motor straight up and down, and the other is the placement of the weights of the machine. I'll start off with levelling the machine. The machine needs to sit fairly flat, otherwise you'll find you'll be fighting the machine from side to side. To level the machine, all you do is loosen the nut at the back. You've got this lever on the side, so at the moment you can see the motor's tilted back. You just want to make sure that sits nice and flat. Do the nut up in the back, and that's about it. If you still find you're fighting the machine from side to side, you may need to go slightly forward or slightly back. With the placement of the weights, for heavy duty grinding, you can have the weights sitting on the ground, on the machine, or you can take the weights off and put them up the top of the machine for light grinding. So just remember guys, when using the equipment, Kennards Concrete Care recommends the use of safety products at all times. Be sure to use the personal protective clothing and equipment recommended for each product hired. For more information, contact your local Kennards Concrete Care.